Good day viewers and welcome to Learners Vanguard. Please, this tutorial is a section from my full video tutorial on how to install Windows 11 on any PC. So please make sure you check back for the complete tutorial on Windows 11. So I want to show you guys how to actually format your USB drive. So for you to do that, first of all, right click on the USB. Here you can see format, but the way I normally do mine is I go to properties, I try to get the file system information. Here the file system is NTFS. So the next thing I do is I open a command prompt. Please run your command prompt as an administrator. So I click on window and R together, I type in CMD, click OK, then I type disk part, DISKPART, then I click yes. This is taking me to a command prompt which has administrator privilege. That's why I said make sure you open yours with as an administrator. Now I have typed disk part. The next thing is to type list disk. Okay, you can actually use list volume, they work the same. Hit enter key. Now this is my USB flash drive. It's 7.7 gigs 633, which is disk 1. So I need to select that disk 1, so I type select space again and 1. Now you can see the information that my disk 1 is now the selected disk. Now I need to clean this disk, right? So type clean and hit enter. You can see the disk, the flash drive has been cleaned. So the next thing for you to do is to type this command, which is create space partition space primary. You can see that I've successfully created specified partition. Now we format to the file system, which is NTFS. So you type format F space FS equal to, without space, type NTFS. At this point, once we click enter, it will start formatting it to that NTFS file system. But we need it to be a quick formatting, so put space, type quick and hit enter. So the formatting will be very fast. It's on 0%, but before you know it, the formatting will be completed. As you can see, the 100% completed. Now type exit, hit enter. You can exit again on this one, EXIT, hit enter. Now our USB flash drive has been formatted. Then open it and paste the Windows 11 file. Okay, so I'll pause this video and come back when the pasting is complete.